Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I post makeup related videos on this channel. In this video, I have done a blue and purple smoky eye makeup. This kind of makeup look are so in trend nowadays, so I thought why should not I give it a try. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. To start with, I'm applying a moisturizer and this moisturizer is from Nivea and I'll apply it all over my face. Moisturizer is important to hydrate your skin so that your makeup completely blends into your skin. Now I'm combing my eyebrow hairs upwards with the help of a spoolie and then I'll fill in my brows with the help of this grey eyeshadow and this angle brush. I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 115 and I'm applying it all over my face with the help of my finger and then I'll blend it out with the help of a foundation brush. I'm using this shade from Kiss Beauty Concealing Palette and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and then I'll apply it under my eyes and I'll apply it on the sides of my nose and on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow and on the center of my forehead. Now I'm going to blend this all out using the same brush which I used for foundation. Now I'm going to set my concealer using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and I'll only apply on those areas where I applied concealer. Here I am contouring my face with this ITEX Dazzler Classic Compact Powder and it's a compact powder but I use it as a contour because the shade which I am taking is way too darker than my skin tone. So I use it as a contour and I am contouring my cheekbones, my jawlines and my forehead and I am also contouring my nose as well. Now I'm picking up this pink shade from this eyeshadow palette. By the way, this eyeshadow palette is from Hilary Rhoda and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks in such a way that my cheeks look lifted upwards. Moving on to eye makeup, I'm picking up this blue shade from this eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it on the inner half of my eyelid with the help of this fluffy blending brush and slowly I'm building the shade up until I get enough pigmentation. Now I'm picking up this purple shade and I'm applying it on the outer half of my eyelid and I'm trying to give it a V shape on the outer corner. And now I'm blending these two shades together so that they look seamless. I'm dipping into this warm nude shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it above my crease line just to blend out my whole eyeshadow. I'm dipping into this orangish kind of a shade and I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid just to give more warmth to my eyes. And now I'll be repeating the same process on my other eye as well. I'm picking up this shimmery blue shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it on the inner half of my eyelid. Now it's time to line my eyes and I'm going to draw a crisp winged eyeliner. And by the way, this eyeliner is from Lakme from 9 to 5 range. I'm picking up this blue glitters from this glitter glaze palette and I'm applying it on the inner half of my eyelid up to where I place blue eyeshadow. Here I'm doing some touch up with my eyebrows. And now I'm applying purple eyeshadow closure towards my lower lash line. And to complete my look, I'll be applying mascara, and this mascara is from Kiss Beauty. I'm applying the blush again just to do some touch up. And after that I'll be applying highlighter, and the highlighter which I'm using is from Ronzal Cosmetics, and I'll be highlighting my highest points of the face, and that is the top of my cheekbones, center of my forehead, my bridge of the nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and I'll also be highlighting my brow bones and the inner corners of my eyes. And we have reached the last part of this video, and that's lipstick. But before applying lipstick, I'm applying a lip balm. Now I'm applying a lipstick, and this lipstick is a dupe of Huda Beauty lipstick. And on the top of that lipstick, I'm applying a bullet lipstick. And yeah, this is my final finished look. And this is the final finished look, you guys. And thank you for watching my video till here, and I'm so grateful for this. And I hope you all enjoyed watching my video and like the look. And if you do like the look, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below. And I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.